Hello everyone, welcome back to the final area. And it goes, Dr. Barwin, great job. You've made it to the end. This time you'll need to work with the agent. Both of you must reach the gold pressure plates within 10 seconds. So here, I'm going to reset my guy. And so here is the agent. And the agent has to follow the blue path. And one thing you'll see is you have to follow this path. And once the agent starts to move, and let's say I'm just going to, for example, move our agent 1. This isn't the correct code. So I'm just going to move the agent forward 1 and show you what I mean. So it's going to pile the code. If I click run, you see how this should break. Let's see. Say if I run it forward by 6. And I click run. See how now this breaks and I can go? So now I have to complete this, and if it doesn't get to the pressure plate in 10 seconds, it will say try again, and it's going to reset us. Or if you know that you need to do this, you can just reset the activity using our tool. So, using our radio. So, this is one of those things where I think it's the best to go little by little. And what I mean by that is, say, moving forward by 1, 2, 3, and then so getting this correctly, and then doing a little bit at a time. So, maybe I do this, I click run, and I do it a little bit. So I know that this code is correct. And so I'm going to then have it turned and go 1, 2, 3, and then turn left. So I'm going to have my agent move forward 3, and then turn left. And then I'm going to click run again. So I think this is the easiest way to do this, is just having to reset multiple times. Now, if you're a person that likes to do it the very first time, I completely understand that, and it's going to take a lot of time just following and doing this. So as long as the agent doesn't move, your timer is not going to start. So you can walk along here and do all those calculations yourself. And that way, if you want to try to do it all in one go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you what happens when the code is correct. So again, pause if you want to do it on your own. So this is one way to do it. There are multiple ways for you to actually solve this puzzle. This is just one way to solve it. I've seen a lot of people solve it a bunch of different ways. So I move forward by 3, then right, forward by 3, and then left. And then I'm going to move agent forward by 2. And then I'm going to move forward by 2. And then I'm going to move it up by 1. And then forward by 1, and then up by 1. I'm going to turn left. Now I'm going to move forward by 3. Then I'm going to turn right. So forward by 3, turn right, forward by 2, then down by 1, so let me go right, forward by 2, down by 1, forward by 2, forward by 2, right, forward, down, forward, down, forward by 2, so 2, 1, 2, then we move down, if I remember correctly, down by 2, down by 1, forward by 2, down by 1, forward by 2, down by 1, forward by 3, agent turn right, forward by 4, turn right, then forward by 1, and then just as I said in previous videos, just to make sure I'm going to do forward by 0 just so the plate registers. So I think I did this all correct, and if I did it all correct, we'll see what happens. I'm going to click compile, I'm going to click run. Ooh, I right away needed to do this because I accidentally fell. Now this part's going to be hard. I have to, within 10 seconds, get there. Woo! And it says lesson complete, and you are done with coding basics lesson 1. Hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will see you in the lesson 2 of these coding basics.